The treatment of glaucoma are specific medications. They are drugs like your other tablets, oral medicines, and should be approached with the same careful consideration and should be used as per your doctor's instructions. Before starting your eye drop treatment, discuss your lifestyle needs with your eye care professional so that they can make the best choice to fit with your schedule. Always tell your eye practitioner about any other drugs you may be taking, such as aspirin, blood pressure medication, or even herbal products, because they can interfere with your glaucoma medication. I will take you through the correct method of instilling your eye drops step by step. First, get your eye drops ready and always check the label to make sure you've selected the correct bottle. Wash your hands. Everyone has their personal choice of what works best for them. So you can choose to instill your drops while standing up, sitting comfortably, or lying down. Remove the cap of the eye drop bottle. Eye drops are sterile, so to minimize contamination after the bottle has been opened, do not let the tip of the bottle touch your fingers, eyes, or any other surfaces. Tilt your head back and look up. Now gently pull the lower eyelid away from the eye to form a pocket or pouch. Position the tip of the bottle directly over this region. Hold the bottle as vertically as possible. The hand holding the bottle can be rested on part of your face to steady it if you wish. Then gently squeeze the bottle so that one drop falls onto the inside of the lower eyelid. If you have trouble knowing that the drop has actually been instilled in the correct area, try storing your drops in a refrigerator. This way, you will feel the coolness of the drop in your eye and know that it's hit the spot. Never store your eye drops in the freezer.
I would like to stress the importance of instilling one drop at a time, because the eyelid does not have a capacity to hold more than one drop. If you instill more, part of the previous drop may also get out of the eye. As you instill the drop, part of the drop get absorbed into the system, as we have a duct from the eye into the nose. And when a particular drop, depending on what kind of medication has been used for you, gets absorbed in the body, you can have various kinds of side effects like shortness of breath, palpitation, anxiety, depression, and sometimes precipitating an asthmatic attack. If at any time, if you find any of these symptoms mentioned above, contact your eye care practitioner immediately. To minimize the risk of potential side effects of any medication, gently put the eye drop, close your eyelid, and to reduce the complications further, take your index finger and stop the duct or press the duct, close your eyes and keep it pressed for a couple of minutes so that the drops do not get absorbed into your systemic circulation and hence avoid any kind of potential side effects that one can have with those drops.
This technique has been devised by leading eye care practitioners as being the most effective way of instilling eye drops. So it is worth taking time to get it right.
It's quite important that you do not over-medicate and that you do not change the frequency and or the number of eye drops that have been prescribed to you by your eye care professional. Here are a few other safety reminders for you. Never allow any other person to use your eye drops, and neither should you use anybody else's eye drops. Keep eye drops out of reach of children. It's best not to use contact lenses while instilling eye drops. Some eye drops may sting or irritate the eye for a short time after installation. It may take a few weeks for your eyes to get adapted to the new eye drops. But if the symptoms persist, even after a couple of weeks, do contact your practitioner at that point in time. It's also very important that do not stockpile your eye drops because there is an expiry and or an up-to-date written on the eye drops. Do not use beyond that. Lastly, if you are having problems instilling the eye drops, call over a friend, a relative, and or a healthcare professional to help you in instilling the eye drops. However, I'm sure that with a little practice, you will be able to master the art of instilling the eye drops in your own eyes and let those powerful drops do the job of controlling the damage that glaucoma can create.